Alright students, let's go ahead and revise one quick small chart on exemptions. Now I've gone ahead and made exemption related one small chart relating to insurance services. Entry number 35, entry number 36, 36A, 40, 28, all these small entries which are relating to insurance I've gone ahead and placed over here. Right everyone over here. Entry number 35 goes ahead and talks about general insurance business when they are given under the following scheme. Government is going ahead and basically targeting that if there is a small insurance scheme relating to herd, cattle, etc. If you go ahead and charge GST on that, the insurance will become expensive, and hence government have gone ahead and made small insurance schemes exempt from GST. Now everyone over here, government have gone ahead and told if there is a general insurance business any person is doing under the following scheme, if it is relating to hut insurance, then there will be no GST. Besides the hut, you might have some coconut or palm. Coconut and palm insurance, there is no GST. If the self-employed woman is there, self-employed women ka accident policy which is given, there is no GST. Now in the village, you will also be able to see cattle. Now cattle insurance scheme which is provided under the, or it is a central sector scheme on cattle insurance, there will be no GST. Now for this cattle, these tribal people are also there, tribal insurance also there is no GST. Now in the village, if you go ahead and see over here, one person was going and he met with an accident, Janta personal accident, Gramin accident policy also there is no GST. Now the village may people who are there, if by chance they fall sick, so government says Jan Arogya Bima, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima, Nirmaya health insurance, any health insurances, all this by all this name, please remember in the exam there will be no GST. In village and all, you will see people will be going ahead and doing crops. So government says Bangla Sasya Bima, which is basically crops insurance, also no GST. Modified National Agricultural Scheme, this scheme which is a general insurance scheme, again no GST. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Rashtriya Krishi Bima Yojana, or pilot scheme on seed crop insurance, also no GST. Once you have done the agriculture, you would want to go ahead and export credit insurance, also there is no GST. Are we clear? So to go ahead and do the crops etc., agriculture, you need what? Pump etc. So agricultural pump set and failed well insurance also there is no GST. Now this whole village, if you go ahead and see, is a universe in itself. This universe ka universal health insurance or Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, there will be no GST on these insurances. Now, government went ahead and told, other than this, that entry number 29, 29A and 29B, the life insurance services which are provided under the group insurance fund. Basically, what happens whenever an army ka member is there, navy ka member who joins the navy, etc., they are insured by the government under group insurance, and they will be paying a small premium. On that also there is no GST. Life insurance services to whom? Army, Navy, Air Force, Coastal Guard, CAPF, Centrally Armed Police Force, under the group insurance scheme also there will be no GST. A life insurance business provided by way of annuity under National Pension System, also there is no GST. Also remember, sir, this entry number 35 I went ahead and told you general insurance businesses which are basically herd, cattle, etc. Again, if there is a life insurance business which is provided under Janashri Bima Yojana, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, life micro insurance product, or max, where the maximum cover is how much? 2 lakh. So if there is an insurance product where the maximum coverage is 2 lakh, government is telling the premium will be very less, don't charge any GST. Varishta Pension Bima, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, or Pradhan Mantri Vyaya Vandana Yojana, there will be no GST. Now entry number 35 mein whatever insurance we learned, and entry number 36 mein whatever insurance we learned, if I do the reinsurance, then reinsurance service also there is no GST. Reinsurance of insurance schemes under 35, 36 and 40. 40 is below over here. What is 40 talking? Services provided to the central government, state government, where under the insurance scheme where the total premium is paid by the government. Whenever government is paying the total premium, then also you should not go ahead and charge any GST. This was a small and sweet chart relating to insurance related services. I hope you guys will remember. Baba, please see this picture 1 or 2 times. I think you will be able to remember. I'll go ahead and close insurance related services ka exemption over here.